In today's video, we'll show you how to hide your activity status on Discord for either your entire Discord or specific servers of your choice. So, to get started, if you want to simply hide your activity status to everybody on Discord, including your friends and every single server you're a part in, you just want to head over to the user settings, and you want to scroll down to activity privacy, and you want to disable share your detected activities with others. You also want to make sure that this setting is off, which says share your activity status by default when joining large servers. This includes servers with over 200 members. By default, if you join a server with this on, it will display your activity, so make sure these are both toggled to off. Now, if you would like to simply toggle off your activity status for specific servers, what you can do is you can head over to the server that you'd like to hide your status. You then want to look for the name in the top left and click the arrow drop down. Then you want to head over to privacy settings. And from here, you can disable activity status to not share your activity status anymore in this server. Make sure it's checked off so that your activity status will not be shared in this server. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.